her, bro. White girl. You see the ass of all these white girls, bro?
Hey! It's crazy these days, bro.
What happened to the white girl you was talking to?
Oh, you're not talking about the white. You're talking about the Spanish one.
She's white.
Nah.
She
might as well be white.
What happened to her?
Well, you don't want to know how worthless she is. You don't want to know.
Hey, if I didn't want to know, I wouldn't have asked.
Poppy, I brought you some checkers. See?
Who's that?
Jehovah's Witness, bro.
Oh. You said like 2 words, bro. You know, was that Joe?
You know I don't play that, bro.
Oh, Mr. Tough Guy here, huh? Yeah. Hey, I'm having a very tough time finding this file. You said you was finding for me yesterday. It's the day after.
I don't know what the hell you talking about.
The music file, man. The zip. I can't unzip it or whatever you do with the zip.
You can't unzip it.
Okay.
Hey, bro, too much worthless people in my life, bro.
No.
I got it. Don't worry, bro.
What's going on here, man? I got it. Just take the pamphlet from them, man. They don't leave unless you take the pamphlet. Alright?
Baby, I got McDonald's. You're gonna like McDonald's. Oh, this Haitian Creole, yes.
Yo,
What's up, bro?
come back. No pamphlets.
Hey, bro, just live your life on that computer,
I
alright?
ain't gonna tell me to live my life, man.
Hey, bro.
This person knocked like 3 times in the course of 30 seconds.
Live your life on that computer.
Whatever, man.
Okay. I got Creole.
Did I
get it right?
Really?